Hey there! Welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to dive into the spookiest season of the year? Today, I'm going to show you how to transform your look with one incredible Halloween face paint design. Whether you're going for creepy, cute, or somewhere in between, I've got you covered. So grab your brushes and paints and let's get this spooky party started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my tutorials. Now let's get painting. Today I'm going to use just some black and white face paint for this design. First, I grabbed this custom split cake that is just white with a stripe of black. This helped me to create a shadow effect and save some time lining things at the end. Let's create a basic butterfly shape using U-shaped strokes. This will make the wings appear made of spider webs. Now let's draw the basic shape of our skeleton with some white face paint. Let's add some details on the web. Now with the black, we're going to add the contour and details of our skeleton to make it pop. Add some eyeliner and a few extra details. And there you have it, an eye-catching Halloween look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create your own spooky designs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more face painting tutorials. Have a happy Halloween!